art of connecting your brand with the right audience through various online channels. At its core, it encompasses essential components like SEO, which enhances your visibility on search engines, and content marketing, where storytelling engages and informs your audience. Social media marketing taps into the vast networks of platforms like Facebook and Instagram, allowing for direct interaction with customers. Email marketing builds relationships through personalized communication, while pay-per-click advertising offers immediate visibility to potential customers. The benefits are immense: increased reach, real-time insights into customer behavior, and cost effectiveness compared to traditional methods. Trends like AI integration, influencer partnerships, and the rising popularity of video content are reshaping the landscape. To get started, focus on establishing a robust online presence, understanding your target audience, and consistently tracking key metrics. Embrace these strategies and unlock the full potential of digital marketing for your brand. The future is digital, don't get left behind.